Morning student, this is Shanwas and today I bring this video for the student of class 9. As my student, you know about the weathering as we have already discussed in the previous chapter. In that chapter we have learned about the weathering, the meaning of weathering and types of the weathering, okay, the breaking rocks and how does the rock break and what is the after weathering what is the next step, what is next process after weathering, after breaking the rock. So today we will start the new chapter number 10, degradation. The next step of after the weathering, degradation. So today let's learn about the degradation. Okay. So first of all we will take the first heading, introduction. Okay. So you know about the basic things. And that should be know about the basic thing of the degradation. You know about the degradation is the wearing away. The wearing after the breaking the rock, the sediments and the particles of the rocks, they are wearing away by of land masses and landforms by various process like weathering. You know about the various process of like weathering, the physical, chemical and the biological. Erodes the mass movement and transportation from one place to the another place. So the sediments, the parts of the breaking rock, they are transported by one place to the another place. It results, in lowering the level of land, and somewhere about the rounding, exposing, okay, the rounding exposed rocks surface and leveling the peaks. That means by the derivation process we can see a different kind of the shape, making the shape on the earth surface, the physical feature. Somewhere, sometime they make the valley, somewhere they make the deltas, okay, and some over the lakes, making the lakes by the deposition of the sediments. Okay. Now come to the next point, the next heading. So this was the introduction of degradation. The next heading is the process involved in degradation. What are the process involved in degradation? What are the processes involved in degradation? You know what the degradation, that means the wearing away of the sediments. So after weathering, or you can say the weathering refers in the disintegration, the breaking down, after the breaking down of rock by atmospheric agent. There are different kind of the atmospheric agents like the temperature, okay, water, glaciers, okay, and there are some different kind of the atmospheric agents near the surface of the earth. It happens due to the changes in weather. So you know what are the changes in weather? That means the what conditions are responsible to change the weather, like the temperature. You know what the temperature, moisture and precipitation. Precipitation, that means the rainfall. Okay, so these are the processes they are involved in degradation. The disintegration of the breaking the rocks and for the deposition from one place to the sediments of the rocks, one place to the another place. Erosion, the next point is the erosion. Erosion refers to the displacement of rocks. You know what the erosion? That means when the sediments are change their position, okay, after the breaking the rock out, the disintegration of the rocks, they are eroded and they are carried away by the rivers, by the flowing rivers and the winds and glaciers, okay, and they are deposited to the another place. So these are the major agents of the erosion of like that the wind, water, ice, erosion. Okay, so erosion, the major agents of the erosion. Major agents of erosion are wind, water or ice. Okay, or you can say the glacier. Okay, glacier. So that means by the movements of these cooling like that, erosion is caused by the movements. Erosion is caused by the movement of these eroding. The eroding, that means the sediments that change their or displacement from their existing position, and they are deposited to the another place. Particles in the results of the smaller particles are transported to the another place, whereas in weathering no such movements courses. Okay, so after that there is no such of movements of the course. They are from there where they are deposited, that means the sediments of the deposition. Mass movements, the piece of the mass, okay, or the solid part. Mass movements or the mass, the wasting refers to the large scale movement of loose materials. Loose material means after the breaking the rocks lose their material and they are changed to the small particles or the tiny particles. Okay, and the steeper, the base down to and down to slope on account of gravity. The steeper the slope, okay, the more the rapid movement. The more rapid is the movement. So extremely they are moved from their existing position to the another place by the rapidly or the extremely fast. So transportation refers to the movement of material loosened. That is the loosened material that is transported by the agents of the wind, and the river, or sometimes it happens with the melting of the glacier. Okay. So by erosion, by transportation to the other places, action of wind, of water. So these are the major agents of the erosion. And deposition refers to the laying down. Deposition refers to the laying down of material. That means the breaking of material that has been weathered, the breaking or the disintegrated by the atmospheric agents, okay, and eroded and transported by natural process such as the water, wind and ice. So these are the process involved in degradation. My dear student, I hope all of you understood well. Now come to the next point is the work of river. Okay.